Guys, we are going to lift. We are going to lifting now. Panel 128 steel cage. This is the first cage for panel 128, and we have two steel cage only because that the depth is only 18 meters. So we are going to use only two steel cage, guys. So right now we are lifting the first cage, which is the bottom cage for panel 128. Yeah. And our operator is Mr. Robert Gia. He is well, experienced for this cage lifting. Yeah. So yeah, right now, yeah, guys. So we already lifted, and we're going to bring here in the panel excavation, panel 128, and we're going to lower into panel excavation, guys. So this is the first cage of panel 128. So our operator is going to swing here. Yeah, here's our panel excavation 128, guys. Here is it. Yeah? So the operator will bring it here and lower this excavation. So this excavation, we're going to lower here. Here is this our this is panel 128 steel cage. First, the bottom cage. Yeah. Guys, it's easy. It's around 9 meters. This steel cage. The two is 9 meters. 9 meters. So the total is 18 meters. Guys, yeah, so we're going to lower in the excavation. Yeah, guys, and after that we can take it is the second one, top page, and we can connect to the overlap, and after the overlap is connected, so the welder will do the welding of this overlap extension part. Alright, guys, we're going to lower now in the panel excavation 128. Look, guys, we already lowered on the top of the guide wall. This is the first cage of panel 128. So we're going to bring right now the top cage, so we can connect it this number 2 and number 1. When we connected the welder with welding the overlap connection. Okay, guys, so this is panel 128. So we're going to bring now the top cage for panel 128. Guys, this is the second cage of panel 128, which is this top cage. Yeah. So we're going to divide now, and we were going to connect to first steel cage. It's already there in the excavation area. Yeah, we already lowered. So this is the second one, which is the top cage. Guys, we're going to connect the bottom and top cage. And we're going to weld also too. Top page of panel 128, guys. Yeah. So guys, the operator is lifting up the steel cage, and you can swing here in the left side to bring it to panel excavation. By the way, the operator is swing it, and we're going to connect to the bottom cage. Now look, guys, welder. So we're going to connect to this in the bottom cage, guys. So right now, yeah, here is it. And we are going to bring over there. And guys, and when we connected, when we connect these two cages, the welder is starting to go in between the connection. Yeah. Guys, guys, look at this. We are going to connect to bottom cage and the top cage. Look guys, we already connected these two panel cage. So we are going to weld down to fix it, the two connection. So the welder start to welding these two connection. Yeah, so and guys, welder will start for welding. To weld this two connection, yeah, to make it sure that in between connection is welded very well. Yeah. Guys, we already started the welding of these two connection. We have to weld them to make it quick finish. Welding is ongoing for this stoppage. Guys, this is panel 128, 18 meters deep, 7 meters length, 1000 millimeter thickness. Look guys, we already lowered the panel pitch in panel 128, so it's finished. The steel pitch finish is already lowered. So the next one is we're going to put this platform for Tremie 5, the 2, and we also put this Tremie 5, the 2 Tremie 5, and then after this installation of the Tremie 5, we're going to circulation the bentonite, yeah. So yeah guys, look at this, we're going to lift out the Tremie 5 platform. And when we are finished this lowering of the Tremie 5, so we're going to go to circulate the bentonite since our fountain will start at 7 a.m. So we are circulating the bentonite to avoid the sedimentation, avoid the bentonite sedimentation in the bottom.